Give me. Drink. What are you waiting for? Laolu, drink together. Laolu knows that you have been doing business abroad for 2 years. I've never seen a woman before. You're suffocating. This is my special gift for you. Hey, look at this face and this figure. Is it the best? Dude knows you're a neat freak. I found it for you, clean. I don't need. Keep it for yourself. Number. Laolu for so many years. No woman can catch your eye. You don't even like women, do you? Roll. You look at. Such a pure college student. You not to. Not. Okay, then you don't want to. I. Baby, tonight. As long as you take care of me. I will never treat you badly. Don't touch me. Has Lee Chinking raised enough money? You knew your brother had a heart condition. Failure to hand over a deposit of 150,000 yuan. The hospital kicked us out. Mom, I don't care what you do. Get me 150,000 now. If anything happens to your brother, I won't let you. Ha ha ha. Being bullied and cried. Can you ask me? This is the first time. My efforts were ruined. Know what you got to do? Well, to take a shower. Cue car. Ah. Can I turn off the lights? May not. Haha. Yeah, don't come here. Touching a woman for the first time in 27 years. I can't believe I would be so stupid. Ah. My first time was so bad. Of 100,000. 50,000 short. The younger brother can wait in the hospital for the source of his heart. Hey, ha. For her younger brother. I'll do anything you. Li Chinking, Lei Li Ai. Why are you frowning again? Are you worried about making money again? I need money. I need a lot of money. I have a job. Has fat salary. But being a nanny. Would you be willing? I would, as long as I could make money. Originally, a big family like the Liu family. They all have regular nannies. But his nanny had cancer, so I need to find a new one. The requirement is to be able to clean, be good at cooking and have eyesight, and live in a house. But it may delay your studies. You need to stop thinking about it. But it may delay your studies. Don't you think about it again. If you take this job, I'm going to apply for a suspension. But if you don't accept it, I can't get enough money for my brother's medical bills. Me too. Then I have to remind you. The eldest young master of the Liu family has just returned from abroad. Clean freak and picky. You have to be careful. Oh, our Liu family wants the best talents. Whoever has good skills can stay. I'm announcing that the nannies I'm leaving are. I announce that the nanny to stay is Mrs. Hey, wait a minute. Yeah, that's the smell. Just like my grandma did. Who made this dish? I did. Hello, son. Come back for dinner tonight. Mom will find you a nanny to cook. Super awesome, huh? Good. You'll live here from now on. Tonight, young master will go home for dinner. Pack up and come down to help. Good. Our young master is a neat freak. There must be no dust on the desktop. Pay attention, everyone. Is. Young master. Mrs. Well. Madam and young master are back. Son is back. Hurry up and serve the food. Well. Lower your head when serving. Don't look up at our young master. Don't rely on your beauty. You can seduce our young master. I'm warning you. Our young master is not close to women. All the women who try to seduce our master, they were all thrown out of the Liu family. This table is full of dishes. It's all done by the new nanny. Come on, try it. It's delicious. Hey, wait. Although young master does not come back often, but you need to know. Chinking, get to know each other. Young master Liu. Try the shrimps that have just come out of the pot. Delicious, tender, smooth and very fresh. Indeed. White and red. Very slippery. It really tastes good. I didn't expect Chinking to be so young. You can cook so many dishes, isn't it delicious? Really delicious. People are good. No matter what person is it. I'm talking about shrimp. You heard wrong. Eat more if it is delicious. The old lady still has things to do in the kitchen. Everything okay? I'll go back first. Okay, go ahead. 100,000 yuan sold herself to my little girl for the first time. She became my nanny. I spent 100,000 yuan on my first man. It's actually young Master Lu. God, how can I be the nanny of the Lu family? Ozawa had a heart attack and needed a heart replacement. The hospital wants 150,000. Just a deposit. You can let Ozawa stay in the hospital and wait for his heart. If you get a heart transplant, it'll cost at least 500,000 yuan. The wages here are high. Not only can I make a deposit here, I can still control Ozawa's heart replacement surgery fee little by little. I must stay in the Liu family. But what about Liu Yan? Had that kind of relationship? Will he tolerate me being a nanny under his nose? Well, don't. Not to come. So many women who threw themselves at me. I feel disgusted. Why is she different? Who? I wonder who would come to me at this late hour. Young Master Lu. How could you? What brings you to? Young Master Lu threw himself at me when he was short of money. There is no shortage now. Just business. Young Master Lu, why are you looking for me so late? You don't go to school and come here to babysit. I need money. I need to make money. I'll give you how much you need. No, I can earn it myself. Come this spring. The nose is uncomfortable. Rhinitis is attacking again. Butler Liang is here. We can't let him find us. You're wearing this dress for me. This is the Liu family's nanny uniform. Let go of me. I need to make money. I really need this job. I can't let Butler Liang find you. Thank. Chinking, what is that sound in your room? Uncle Liang, I'm fine. I accidentally hit the corner of the table. Hit the table. I clearly heard the sound of glass breaking. Let me warn you. Everything in the house belongs to the Liu family. You can't damage. If it is damaged, you will lose money. Oh, I see. I'll be careful. No. Chinking. Open the door. I gotta go in and take a look. Butler Liang, I'm really fine. No need to look. Who looked at you? I'm just looking. Open the door and chinking. Butler Liang is too late today. I fell asleep. It's really inconvenient. Any damage in the house will be deducted from my salary. Chinking. What time is it? Liu Chinking still hasn't got up. I will get up immediately, Uncle Liang. There are guests at the Liu family today. Come down here and help. Okay. I'll be downstairs in a minute. Those. Is Nanjing fun? Remember to play when you play. Your brother went on a scientific expedition to the Antarctic. Not for fun. I'm just curious. Can you learn from your brother? Your brother got excellent grades in school. Jumped several levels in a row. Got a doctorate at the age of 25. If you were half your brother, I'll be thankful. If Xiaoyan could get married earlier, have another fat boy, it would be perfect. By the way, Xiaoyu, you are no longer young. This year's senior year. Got a girlfriend, right? Right, Xiaoyu. You're graduating this year, at the age of marriage. Don't be an old bachelor like your brother. Mom decided on the marriage sooner. Your mother can have grandchildren sooner. Your mother can have grandchildren sooner. And actually, I already have someone I like. Oh, whose lady is this? She is my junior student. She's beautiful. Was excellent. Won the highest scholarship in our school for several years in a row. Oh, so powerful. When will you bring it here? Let's all get to know her. He hasn't agreed to be my girlfriend yet. But I'm not giving up. I will definitely make him my girlfriend. Chinking, it's you. Liu Yuma. And the person I like is him. Chinking, why are you here? You came to work and study. Look at how hardworking they are. Look at you doing nothing every day. Hey Mom, can you give me some face in front of junior girls? Aunt. Mom, I'm done. Eat slowly. Mom, I'm finished too. Take your time. Let's go. Ching Ching has something I must give you. After the last time you turned me down, I didn't give away the gift I prepared for you. I keep it with me, thinking about seeing you someday. I will confess to you for the last time. Chinking. Today's meeting is the opportunity God gave me. I must tell you what I mean. Chinking, I really like you. Will you accept me? Lu Yu. Ami. Securing here behind closed doors and broad daylight. Let me introduce you. This is Li Chinking, my little junior girl. Are you very obedient? She's really good. Chinking, this is my brother. Graduated from Ocean University with a doctorate in biological studies. He's my idol. My brother has been. I haven't even been in love for my studies. Never even held a woman's hand before. Hey, then your brother is so stupid. Two-faced. Brother, I am confessing my love to Chinking. Come and help me quickly. I advise you to change someone else. Why? Because he's dirty. Brother, what do you mean? I don't understand. You don't need to understand. Just stay away from him. But Liu Yuan, you deserve better. Girl, we are not suitable. Chinking. Because she's not clean. Reluctant too. I don't understand what you're saying. Give me your phone. Collect money. Thank you, young Master Liu. But yesterday wasn't the first time. We don't need that much. If there is nothing wrong with you, young Master Liu, I'll leave first. Hey. After completing the suspension application, I would no longer be a student at Iowa University. I didn't expect to work so hard to get into college. And ended up being a nanny. Chinking, the soup on the stove is ready. Came. He's taking a break from school. Into. Young master, what can I do for you? Still short of money? No shortage for the time being. No shortage. How can you become addicted to being a nanny if you don't resign? Go back to school. But I need to make money. Don't want to leave, do you? Do you want to be in the same room with me so bad? I really need a stable job. Only in this way. Only then can we slowly save enough money for Ozawa's heart replacement surgery. This job is very important to me. Yang Tian? Quit your job and work with me. Since you like babysitting so much, then why don't you just come and be me? I'll double your salary. You go to school normally. How about cooking for me when you have time? You don't have to wait all day long. Double your salary. I have to go to the company during the day. Who are you serving? Double the salary. Then I will soon be able to earn enough money for Ozawa's surgery. Okay, I agree. But I have an additional condition. What conditions? Move in with me. I am willing. I don't agree, forget it. I agree. This is my home address. Just move here when you're done cleaning up. But I have not resigned from Mrs. Liu yet. She said she likes to eat my cooking. I'll finish it first. No, not this month. I'll talk to her. Go ahead. Ah. Great. I can go back to school again. Young master, you are back. Ah. The young master. Ah, the food is ready. Get ready to eat. There is another dish. Let me get. Ah, why are you pretending? Didn't we enjoy it last time? What must you transfer money first? Maple leaf, you bastard. Where am I supposed to go at this hour? Little sister doesn't know where to go. Come to your brother's arms. Damn. Grow so big. No one has dared to do this to me before. He hit me. He also ran away from home. Didn't make it hard for him. What are you doing? Ha. What? Of course I'm fucking you. Haha. Become like this. Isn't it just to seduce us? Don't come over. My family lives near here. My husband is coming to pick me up soon. Io. Ah. Home. Go in. You're hurt. Let me bandage you. Was bleeding. That's all because I... Not bad. Not as hard as you hit it. Ah. Chinking Liao Qianqian, you finally have time to ask me out. Lele, thank you for finding me a job. I invite you to dinner today. Can I choose a place? Of course you can. Go. Dr. Mu, please give me your autograph. Give me one. Thank you, Chinking. That's Dr. Mo. He opened a private hospital to come to our school. The nursing profession is hiring. Don't you secretly like Dr. Mo? Go and try it, I. Lose money. Goods. You little. I have raised you for so many years. You don't even know how to call me dad. Let you cook me a meal. You even ruined my bowl. Look, I won't kill you. You were the one who just hit my bowl and dropped it to the ground. How dare you talk? Ah. How dare you make your father angry? You are not allowed to eat today. Think about it outside the door. Are you okay? My name is Mu Xinyi. Medical student. You can come to me if you get hurt in the future. What are you hiding for? Why do people like me have feelings? It would be good to live well. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Right. Bang. This is where you asked me to jump. This is a bar. This bar is newly opened. 50% off. I heard there are many creative dishes in there. Let's go try it. Okay. Come on, wait a minute. Hello, young master. I have something to do tonight. Want to go back later? Report everything clearly. Invite classmates to dinner, huh? Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Dr. Mu. What a coincidence you're here. Jing Shen. What a coincidence you guys are here to drink too. Want to sit together? Ah. Chinking, you know Mr. Liu. I don't admit it. How can I know Chinking when I know President Liu? He was in trouble before. I helped him. Ah, that. What a coincidence. What has President Liu helped Chinking? That day at the Earl's Club. He held me and insisted on having his first time. Can you have it? Me. This is the first time He insisted on using his first promotion of alcohol. On me. Spilled wine. He was expelled from the nightclub. I helped him. Chinking. What happened to your face? Why is it so popular? Yeah, why are you so red? I'm fine. Don't move. I'll pick it up. Come on. See what you want to drink. Order another cup. Tell me what you want to drink. Chinking. Why do you look so bad? What happened too? It's okay, I need to go to the bathroom. Hey! Well, I'll go to the bathroom too. Ah. Lu Han is simply a crazy person. In front of Dr. Mu. If this is discovered, how should I face Dr. Mu in the future? Days. Run away. Like him. I don't like Dr. Mu. How do you know who I'm talking about? Me. Wu Yan. What are you doing? Why not Mu Xingji? Dear, you are very disappointed. Dr. Mu is not like us. Please stop offending him. What do you want? What do you think I should do? Let go of me. Let me. Begging you. Been with me. The price is whatever you want. You take care of me. Yeah. I thought you needed money. I have money. Li Qingqing tells the truth. You are my first woman. I like sleeping with you very much. You need money and I want to sleep with you. Why don't we each take what we need? Promise me to be my only woman. I say no. Li Qingqing. Didn't we sleep together? What's the difference between sleeping once and sleeping 100 times? For you, it's the difference between once and 100 times. For me, it's the difference between having a choice and not having a choice. I quit. This is the rest of the grocery money. Li Qingqing, you ungrateful wolf. After walking for a long time and not going home to see your brother. Your brother talks about you every day. Go home in a hurry. I'll wait for you to go home right away. Ozawa. Sister is back. Sister, sister, you're finally back. Yeah. Hey. Dang dang. Sister bought you your favorite comics. You bought me comic books? Sister doesn't have to buy me comic books. Mum said you gave me all the money for the heart. You must have worked a lot of work with that much money. Very hard, right? I don't want you to work so hard because of me. Ace, don't worry about your sister. Sister will make a lot of money in the future. And get you out of this place. Okay? Oh. Really? Yeah, trust my sister. Ace believes in her sister. Okay, go read comics. Sister, clean this up. Uncle Z, what are you doing? Why did I raise you so big? Not even a hug. Uncle Z, you are my stepfather. As an elder, please conduct yourself with dignity. Still self-respecting? You made 150,000 yuan a week. Are you telling me you earned it yourself? Did you take dirty money? How I get my money has nothing to do with you. You have no right to control me. What valuable land does a poor college student have? In addition to physical. What else can you sell? Anyway, you were slept with another man. I'm not the only one left, am I? Let go of me. You let go of me, you let go. Brother. Ozawa. Ozawa. Wake up. Oh, you jinx. So much since I got back. Ozawa. Don't scare your sister. Wake up. Go and call the doctor, Ozawa. Who are Zizi's family members? I am Zizi's mother. Zizi's heart is bleeding from multiple places. I can't wait for the heart to come. There's only one way. Is to get him an artificial heart. If the family has no objections. Just sign here. Go and pay quickly. How much does it cost to install an artificial heart? 100 million. A million. How am I supposed to get a million? Make a decision quickly. What can I do? Sold me. I don't have 1 million yuan. I'll find a solution for the money. You really get the money. As long as we can save A's. No matter what it takes. I must save A's. Hello. The number you dialed is currently on the phone. Backed out Mo Yan blocked me. Where's the money? Where is the money? Because of you. If you hadn't seduced your father, nothing could have happened to Ozawa. All because of you. You can't do this to me. And now you blame me. Ever since you were a kid, you only hit and scolded me. What else have you done to me? Are you my real mother or not? I don't care. If you don't raise the 1 million for me. If Ace is gone, you will not live either. You upset your father. You are not allowed to eat today. Mum. I haven't eaten for 2 days. I'm hungry. Who told you to be so blind? Kicked your bottle over. Sister, I saved it for you. Eat it. Since I was a kid, the only one Ozawa has been kind to me. I must save Ozawa. Please, my brother is in there undergoing surgery. Can you lend me some money? Crazy, please. I beg you to save my brother. Get out of here. There are really all kinds of people in this world. I also want to borrow money from you. You can save my brother. You can save my brother. Falling leaves hurt me. Please give me the money. Regretted it. Tell me you regret it. I regret it. Over. Sit on. Tell me how much you need. 100 million. Li Qingqing. How much do you despise me to ask for 1 million? 1 million is enough. Please give me 1 million. 1 million has passed. Sign it. You will be my woman from now on. Within a year. You can't find any other man but me. Ace, as long as you are alive. Everything my sister did was worth it. You're back. Now you belong to me alone. You and I will be ready in no time. Go wash your hands quickly. Ready to eat. I don't. I want to eat you first. Thank you for coming to see me off today. Oops. Holding. Why did you give me a bank card? My gorgeous woman wears this. People still think I'm broke. Spend my money whatever you want. No need, no need. When did Qingqing become so close to Liu Yan? Does he know that Liu Yan has a fiancé? What's wrong, young master? See that folder? Oh, I see it. Send it to the company for me. Good. I brought the documents you asked for. Over. Sit down. Station. Luther quickly opened the door for me. There seems to be someone knocking on the door outside Luther, I advise you to open the door for me immediately. Wait for me. Can anyone come into my office now? I'm sorry, President Liu, because it was Miss Jiang who came. So we default. By default, you won't have to come next time. Liu Yan, I know you are in there. Open the door right now. I'll get the door. What are you doing here? Don't you take me seriously? I've been knocking for so long that you didn't hear me. If you have something to say, Su Yan. You played with women behind my back. What do you care? Liu Yan, don't forget our engagement. 1 year from now, I will be your wife. I don't ask you to stay single, but at least you should keep it clean. Find any wild woman out there to do it. When you catch any infectious disease, and then infect me. Our Miss Jiang has been a man since high school. Foreign male models. Sports special students. There is also a night performance cowherd. There must be no less than 20 of them. Who are you to say that others are unclean? How do you know? So what if you knew? With the strength of our Jiang family, you can't break off the marriage. Next Wednesday is my grandfather's 70th birthday. Remember to set aside time. Two. We continue. Tea. I have to go back to cooking. Hello, Dr. Mu. Is Jingjing free on Wednesday? I would like to trouble you to accompany me to a banquet. Wednesday. On Wednesday. I have classes on Wednesday morning. Maybe only in the afternoon. It may not work well. It's okay. I have enough time in the afternoon. Clothes are ready for you. Yeah. Okay then. Chinking. You should not be with Liu Yan. Jingjing, you look beautiful today. This is my first time attending such a banquet. Will it embarrass you? It won't be beautiful. Tonight, I will be the man everyone will envy. Dr. Mu, please stop making fun of me. Chinking, eat something here first. I'm gonna go say hello. I'll see you later. Okay, go ahead. Don't worry about me. Ah. I'm sorry you're blind. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to stain your clothes. Why don't I take it and wash it for you? Where did the poor people come from? Don't you know that gilding dresses cannot be washed by hand? Then, I'll get it for you to dry clean it. Do you think it's okay? See, okay. Haha. Who brought this woman? Stupid. See clearly. Miss Jiang, this is a super high-end bespoke dress. One of 108 broken diamonds dropped. You can't even afford to pay for it. Miss Jiang. She is the supreme young lady of Haikeng. Old Master Jiang's only granddaughter. God, this woman dares to offend Miss Jiang. Do you want to live? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Miss Jiang, I didn't mean to. What's your name? Who are you with? Look at the way he took so many deserts at one time. You know how poor he is. Like a starving ghost reincarnated. My name is Li Qingqing. There is no such name in Li Qingqing's family. Must be some little boss's little lover. over to join in the fun. If you dare offend me, Jiang Zuyao, you will definitely teach him a lesson. Look at. This dress of mine is not expensive. Only about 3 million yuan. Now that you broke it, then lose money. Miss Li. 3 million yuan, right? Where can I get so much money? Can you? Don't act so pitiful. Make it look like I'm bullying you. Debts are repaid. Natural. That's right. That's right. Pay back. Pay back. Miss Jiang, I really don't have so much money to get dirty. Miss Jiang's clothes were abandoned just because she said she had no money. Today is old Master Jiang's 70th birthday. Delay Miss Jiang's filial piety. It's not something that can be solved by 300 people. Look at the dress she's wearing. It's not worth much, right? I don't think we can get 3 million yuan. Miss Jane. What can I do to make you let me go? Kneel down and apologize to our Miss Jiang. And lick it clean. Kneel down and apologize. Apologize. Get on your knees and apologize. What are you doing? Lu Thi. It's young Master Lu. Aunt, what took you so long? Grandpa is anxious to wait. What are you doing here? It's because of this poor man who soiled my dress. This is my celebration of my grandfather's 70th birthday. Specially customized dress. Oh, right. Aunt, do you know him? I think he just called your name. Who did he come here with? No. No. Chinking, are you okay? Dr. Mu, is Miss Li one of you? Miss Li is my guest. What's wrong? That's really a misunderstanding. Miss Lin just stained my dress. I tried to get her to compensate me. But since you say that Miss Lin is your person, then I'll do it for your sake. It's not difficult for her. Then I will thank Miss Jiang for chinking. We're all friends. It's okay. Grandpa Ayan is anxious to wait. Let's go see Grandpa, okay? Mr. Liu and Miss Jiang are really compatible. What a golden couple. Do you think Ayan and Miss Jiang are a good match? I embarrassed you today. Okay. Enough cheap? Liu Yan is okay. Sooner or later, we're gonna get married. I don't mind if you raise a woman outside. Don't worry about my love history. After we got married, we each had our own things. Why not? I told you I'm a neat freak. I can't see anything. The Liu family married to the Jiang family. We must have an heir. You'll sleep with me sooner or later. You can't escape. I said. Don't touch me with your dirty hands. Falling leaf, I will get you sooner or later. Sister, are you okay? Dr. Mu is Miss Jiang Liu Yi's girlfriend. Yan and Miss Jiang are indeed very compatible. They were destined to get married. That's why I'm the third party. Chinking, don't say that about yourself. So Dr. Mu, did you already know that Luo Yan had a fiancé? You let me see it on purpose today, right? Yan and I are college classmates. So he and Miss Jiang are engaged. I always knew. I don't want you to keep in the dark. Chinking. If the breaks up with you, Will you consider me? Dr. Mu. You. Chinking. When I first met you, I treat you differently. After so many years, I think we can take it slow. But Yan's appearance makes me feel like everything is out of my grasp. Chinking. Will you accept me? I'm sorry, Dr. Mu. I'm a little confused right now. It's okay. I was in a hurry. Stars. Don't feel psychological burden. Just know that I will always wait for you. Sorry, Dr. Meng. I want to be quiet. The user you dialed cannot be connected temporarily, or has been turned off. Li Chinking, why didn't you answer the phone? Li Chinking, answer the phone. Hey. Why aren't you picking up? Do you know I'm looking for you? My phone died. Wait for me at home. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Chinking. Are you okay? I'm fine. Go ahead. That was an act. Not what it looks like. Is marriage an act? Mu King, you told you. Whoever told me? Aren't they all facts? Yes, but that's not the whole truth. My marriage with Zhang Zuyao was a year later. I'm still single. Chinking. Don't be mentally burdened, okay? If I'm not single in a year, then I am no longer qualified to keep you by my side. Well, then I misunderstood you. Chinking, at least this year. Stay with me during your stay, okay? If I gather $1 million and let me go, you're still leaving me. And are you so eager to escape from me? Just wait for me for a year. I can solve all my problems. Why wouldn't you wait for me? Even if I go back to my old days, working 4 jobs a day, I can't get $1 million in 1 year. Jing. Dr. Mock. Why are you avoiding me? I sent you a lot of messages. Did you see that? My mobile phone is turned on mute at work. So, what did you want to see me for? I want to talk to you. Chinking. Did you break up with Lu Yan? Dr. Mu. Lu Yan and I are not the relationship you think it is. But I can't live without him now. I have no choice until I pay off $1 million. Does he have something on you? Did I coerce you? I owe him money. Owed him a lot of money. Is this about Ozawa? Why didn't you come to me? I can help you. Then I will borrow money from you now. Will you lend it to me? Chinking. You come to me. I won't mistreat you. I will find a way to deal with money. I sold myself to Liu Yan for money. Now he's selling himself to Dr. Mo for money. I don't like anyone right now. Are you sure you want to use this money to keep me close? Chinking. I have no intention of bribing you. You want freedom. You should at least leave Liu Yan. Think about it carefully. Contact me anytime if you need money. Back. Why are you back so late today? The store is busy today. Are you polite? Can't you see I'm still here? Who ignored me just now? That's because your voice is too soft. I didn't hear. Let's talk. How are you considering my offer? Thought it through. Not agree. I want to know why one day is less every year. 1 hour and 1 minute. Not even for a second. Is it interesting? Falling geese since we are destined to be separated. Why waste your feelings here? Wouldn't you just go and marry Miss Zheng? Why are you holding on to me? You're jealous. I didn't. Some things are not meant to be mine. I can still understand this point clearly. How do you know it's not yours? I'm serious. It's good for both of us. Li Chinking, why on earth must you leave me? Can you think about it for me? You let me sink here. You turn around and marry another woman. What do you want me to do? I let you sink. I didn't mean that. Don't misunderstand. I am a human being, and I long to live freely. Don't force me, okay? Yes, my heart is unpredictable. Uncontrollable sway towards Liu Yan. Because of this, I have to leave. If you continue to sink, you will only be doomed. I will find a way to pay you back as soon as possible. So I'm the only one who can't help but indulge again and again. Always. Does all he feels is forced and imprisoned? Should I let go? Hey, only 1 million. How do you spy on other people sending messages? I can keep you for 1 million yuan. You are too cheap. This is my personal matter. Although you are my part-time boss, but you are not qualified to interfere in my personal affairs. Oh. You borrowed money from Dr. Mu to get rid of Liu Yan. You have to commit yourself to Liu Yan because of your brother. And Dr. Mu knows about you. I am willing to give you a ransom of 1 million to leave Liu Yan. So you're thinking about borrowing money from him. Isn't that right? How do you know about my brother? I guessed. You're not going to investigate me, are you? I'm investigating. Why are you doing? I'm not a cop. It's just that when you were chatting there the other day, I tidy up the counter. I just heard it. You are. Why don't you just peek at other people's text messages? You still eavesdrop on other people's conversations. Hey, don't you think you borrowed money from Dr. Mu? Is it jumping from one fire pit to another? I want to leave Luoyang soon now. I haven't considered anything else yet. Compared to sleeping with Luoyang for a year, I'd rather economize for 10 years, paying Mu's lifelong debt. Luoyang is handsome and rich. As far as I know, over the years, the daughters of our families in Hiking. Many people threw themselves at him, but he refused them all. What method did you use to win this tall flower? And let this favored son of heaven, driving a luxury car to pick you up and from work every day? You know, Luoyang. A man of the hour in Hiking. It's hard not to know, right? Besides, there are only 2 of his luxury cars in Hiking, parking in front of my store every day. It's difficult for me not to know him. This is my personal matter. I don't want to talk about this at work. What if I could help you pay back the million? $1 million is a lot of money. You have no reason to help me. Gee, let me tell you the truth. I went to college with Luoyang. School days. He stole the spotlight from all of us guys. Just in time to give him a little trouble this time. Why not do it? Just to find trouble with Luoyang. You're willing to lend me $1 million? Not exactly. Maybe you haven't even noticed it. Your taste is sharper than anyone else. So your desserts also have the highest rate of return calls. I'll give you $1 million. You worked for me for 3 years. Then we went to the desert competition together. For the past 3 years, you have followed me to learn how to make desserts. We'll split the bonus equally. How did you know I would definitely get the bonus? I believe in my vision. In addition to working for 3 years. Anything else you want? Yeah. No, I'm not in the habit of keeping women in captivity. For the past 3 years, you just need to follow closely. Help me learn to make desserts. I'd promise to maximize the value of your work. Don't owe Dr. Mu a favor. Don't have to sleep with the roadshow. I only rely on my own hands to pay off my debt. I agree. Okay, $1 million in cash or transfer? Cash. Good. It's been a few days since I got home, and I haven't seen anyone. No phone calls. No messages returned. Coming back tonight. Come back for dinner tonight. It's been a long time since we had dinner together. The little girl finally couldn't help but ask for peace. The conference room you requested is ready, President Liu. Zhao Xing inform you. Everyone gets off work early tonight. Meeting delayed. What happened to President Liu? I can't wait to live in the company these days. Why did you suddenly ask me to leave work early again? Hey. Back. The meal is ready. Wash your hands and prepare for dinner. You've thought it through. Willing to be with me well? Do. This is the condition we agreed on before. What do you mean? There's $1 million in here. And the bank card you gave me before. I haven't touched the money in here. Our previous contract is over. Enough, Li Qingqing. I said I won't agree. Lu Yan, I don't owe you anything. Where do you think this money came from? Mu Xinji's? You tell me. How am I worse than him? Why did you choose him over me? You tell me. Let go of me. I won't let you find it. I won't. Don't make me. Hey, it's Lu, right? I am Lu Yan. President Lu, why did you call me? Li Xingxing has nowhere to go. He should come to you. I'll give you the address of the house. Take him there. Good. Hey, Lulu. Can you keep me in for 2 days? Thank. Dr. Mu. Qingqing, sorry. I came uninvited again. Ah. Qingqing, you haven't contacted me these days. I'm really worried about. Sorry. Dr. Mu. I may not need your money. What do you mean? Qingqing, you're going to be Lu Yan's plaything again. No, I'm not. This meaning. I'm just looking out for you. Lu Yan and I have separated. I've already paid him back his money. Where did you get the money? He is the owner of our store. I signed a 3-year contract with him. Our boss paid 3 years' salary in advance. Paid to me. Qingqing. You don't trust me that much. You would rather believe a little boss he had just known for a few days. Then trust me. I don't even need you to pay me back. Sorry. Dr. Mu. It's not that I don't believe you. I just want to live with my own hands. If possible. I don't want to see anyone. Whether it is you or Lu Yan. Qingqing. I understand you're. I just don't want you to work too hard. No, you don't even know. My life. It's the first time I feel so relaxed. It feels so good not to rely on others but yourself. I'm sorry. Dr. Mu, I should be busy. Our boss. I have been very strict with you recently. If I don't complete the mission, he'll be angry. It's okay. Go ahead and do your job. I should go too. Qingqing. I gave you a chance. You didn't cherish it. Don't blame me for being sentimental. Oops. Ah. Dr. Meng. Sister, you're awake. Why am I here? I remember I was on my way home. Qingqing. Go abroad with me. Dr. Mu. Why should I go abroad with you? Chinking, my parents are dead. Your parents are not close. I think we're a perfect couple. For so many years. No one protects you. I dressed your wound. I send you warmth. So many years. I've been waiting for you to see me off at the end. But what about you? But you committed yourself to Luther. That wild boy I haven't known for a few days doesn't come to me. Dr. Mo, what are you talking about? Are you crazy? Yeah, I'm crazy. I can't take it anymore. What should have been mine? One day, it suddenly became someone else's. Ah, no. You're not the one I know. Dr. Mo. Chinking is obedient. You just stay here. I won't hurt you. Come on, come on. Take care of him. Don't let him escape. Mr. Moo. Oh, yes. What did Dr. Moo do wrong? I was so surprised to see. Number. Was an accident. Why is President Liu in my hospital? Of course, I come to the hospital to see a doctor. Hey, Mr. Liu is so rich and still sees a doctor. Why can't rich people get sick? No, that's not what I meant. Come on, I'll take you to check it out. What's happening behind this door? This is my patient. It's normal for bipolar disorder to have some movements. Ah, what was that? When people with bipolar disorder have symptoms, yelling is normal. Yeah. But why does it sound like my name is being called? How is that possible? How do patients in my hospital know you? You must have misheard. I'll take you for a checkup. Go away. Wait. This is my patient. My VIP patient. Without the patient's permission. No one can disturb my patients. We were college classmates after all. It's not good to get in the way of my money. Go. Hey boss. My stomach hurts a little. I'm going to the bathroom first. Go. Dr. Aimu. Where's the bathroom? Go to the head and right hand side. Go. You have a lot of blood. No big problem. As for insomnia, it must have been something annoying recently. Just prescribe some traditional Chinese medicine for conditioning. Casually. Your hospital is not big. There are tens of millions of water flowing every month. But the temple is small and the bodhisattva is big. Just making some hard money. How to compare with your President Liu? Hard work can cost 10 million yuan a month. Then everyone in the world wants to work hard. But I hear, the largest shareholder of your hospital is Zhang Zuyao. Why didn't I know? Your relationship. When? Good enough to do business together. Yan, I am not like you. Born into a wealthy family. Everything you do is supported by your family. I have no money. I can only open a hospital to attract investment. We are classmates again. Is it normal for me to invest in Zhang Ziyao? Boy, the entire VIP ward on this floor is empty. And okay, I won't stop Dr. Moo from making money now. Boss Mu Shinzi's hospital has nothing. Even the operating room is empty. Mu Shinji. When did it become a money laundering tool for the Jiang family? Boss. The majority shareholder of the hospital is Miss Jiang. You meddle in hospital affairs. Aren't you afraid of offending Miss Jiang? After all, you and Miss Jiang are still engaged. This marriage is not possible. You're not going to deal with the Jiang family because of Miss Li, are you? Old Master Jiang was only able to cover the sky in Haikeng. Master Lu needs to know. You will definitely not agree to deal with the Jiang family. After all, we have been working with the Jiang family for decades. The relationship between our Jiangsu and Lu families is deeply rooted. One loss and one loss. You want to deal with the Jiang family. It will inevitably implicate the Lu family. Let me ask you this. Who paid you? You. Remember that you are mine, not my father's people. Be a good boss who hasn't touched a woman in 27 years. Touch it once and it's a big deal. This is going to overturn the Jiang family and the Lu family together. Lei Qingqing this time. I made you come back to me willingly. Hey. Hello, President Lu. What's wrong? Qingqing is missing. What? He didn't come home to sleep last night. The dessert shop didn't find anyone else. Didn't go back to school. I don't answer WeChat calls or Shen Kong. I want to make sure. Know where Li Jingjing has gone. Is. Where is Qingqing going? Don't come over. You are not the Jupiter wing, I know. The Jupiter wings I know help people I don't know. Gentle and considerate. With good intention. Never force others. Qingqing. As long as you follow me abroad. You like me gentle. Then I will always be gentle. Let go of me. I will never go abroad with you. Qingqing. Whether you like it or not. You have always been mine. Rabbit, be honest. Take less trouble. Is everything ready for me? Xing Yi, why did he leave so suddenly? You know, our Jiang family still needs you. I have worked for your Jiang family for so many years. I deserve this. Don't be so cold to me at Starry Night. After all, I was once your goddess. Miss Jiang's beauty. I can't afford to be grateful. I believe in what I have in my hand. The Jiang family will not let him go public, will they? I will collect Mushiani's things for you now. If anything in your hand leaks out, watch your life. Jianchen, come with me. The boss found out where Miss Li was. She and Mu Xinzi bought a ticket abroad together. The flight is about to take off. Walking to the airport, yes. If you don't want your brother's heart to break, just be honest. What have you done to my brother? As long as you are good, your brother will be fine. Li Qingqing, where are you? Falling leaves. I don't want to see Ozawa die. Just be good. Falling leaf. I will never see you again. Jingjing has not eaten for 3 days. Be obedient and drink this bowl of porridge. Dr. Meng. Please let me go. Hey. Are you and Lu Yan like this? Lu Yan is different from you. He's just luckier than me. Born into a rich family. If I had a family like that, I may not be worse than him. Qingqing, you should have belonged to me long ago. Didn't you secretly like me? You. Oh. Man. Let go of me, let go of me. Qingqing. I will give you more than Lu Yi. Trust me. Trust me. Get off me. Get off me. Mr. Mu. Can't you see what I'm doing on the phone? It was from Miss Jian Yang. She said it was important that you should answer the phone. Mu Jianji and Mu Yan are looking for you like mad dogs. What the hell did you touch him? He's looking for me. He said you moved his things. Now they have turned our Jiang family upside down. Just to find you. He actually became an enemy of the Jiang family. He has already found something on the Jiang family. You better not piss him off. What did you touch him? Give it back to him quickly. The Jiang family and the Liu family began to cooperate decades ago. He made trouble for the Jiang family. Aren't you afraid that the Liu family will suffer along with you? He would rather lose 1,000 yuan to the Liu family. You will also harm my Jiang family 800. That's what's scary. He's crazy. Mu Xinji, don't forget. The reason you have today is because of our Jiang family. Don't cause trouble for our Jiang family. Sorry. This time, I'm going to mess with you. He has followed you abroad. You're on your own. Ah. It's really getting more and more interesting. I always thought Lu Yan was just playing with you. But I didn't expect. He made enemies of the Jiang family for you. I also followed you abroad because of you. Luo Yan, he. Li Qingqing. Luoyan is a favored person. I can't believe he really loves you. Next, let's take a look. This favored son of heaven. How far will he support you? The fallen leaves are coming. He came to save me. It turns out that he likes me. It's not that he has no feelings for me. President Liu, even if we are old classmates, there is no need to go abroad. Follow us. Gently hand over the person. President Liu is still so impatient. When you meet old classmates, you should catch up first. I'm not in the mood to talk nonsense to you. Where is he? Go. Chinking. Master Lu. I will. Let him go. In my. Taking Li Chinking away is easy. This is a transfer agreement. Transfer all your Lu family property to me. No, no money. Release people. Master Lu. You really gave up everything for him. Why? I don't understand. He is just a plaything you bought with money. That you really love him. I don't know if I love you or not. All I know is that when he cries, I can't do anything to him. Pity. Now we are abroad and not a place to reason. I want both people and money. Throw him into the sea to feed the fish. Go, no, no. Mu Shinju. You are still so despicable. So. What? I'm the final winner anyway. If you are so unreasonable, I can do a fist fight with you. Boss. My little employee. I'm here to save you. My name is Ming. Take the money and do things quickly. Good brothers. You must satisfy your boss when you work. Is Chinking okay? Master Lu. President Lu asks you to take a look. Lu Zong. I'm sorry. I know I was wrong. There's definitely no next time. Ah. Lu Yan. Lu Yan. Wake up, Lu Yan. Make the call. Hurry up and save people. Call an ambulance. Lu Yan. Wake up. Lu Yan, don't die. I beg you, please don't die. Hey, why are you crying here? Isn't he fine? Lu Yuan, you are not dead. You scared me. Now I'm going to be beaten to death by you. Slow down. Oh. Chinking. This is the first time you've been so proactive. Don't leave me again. Hey, you two are kissing and hugging here. I only took a phone call. Playing a TV series. Where is Mukiani? He locked that up, waiting for you to decide. Hey, what are you going to do with him? He used Kongyi Hospital to launder money for the Zhang family. Evidence is conclusive. Leave it to the police and return to China. Good. Nothing's changed here. Louis Yan, your injuries are still not healed. More than enough for you. Yeah, don't touch me. Tired. Little thing. It's all your fault for being so troublesome last night. The little thing is finally back. Lu Yan, you rogue. Chinking. Be my girlfriend, okay? I am willing. You can't run away after taking my necklace. Chinking, although this question is a little late, but important. You must answer me honestly. Good. Chinking. You like my do from the heart. A girl's love for a boy. Not because I saved my life. Just because I am who I am. Like. Don't know when it started. But by the time I found out, it was hopeless. Do you like me? Fool, I don't like you. I went abroad and got stabbed. I'm not a veterinarian. So when did you start liking me? Well, probably when we first met. That time at the club? Yeah, I got up earlier than that time. Ah. Have we met before? Please buy my first time. Your needs. My mission. First class service. Quality assurance. Come on, come on. You can definitely sell yours. Oh. Where does the girl come from to sell movies? What else are you selling? According to your needs. My mission. I thought at the time. Oh, why is this little girl so stupid? Oh, what happened? And come to a place like this to sell your body? Hey, it was Chin Yi Chuan at that time. He said he wanted me to prepare a paragraph to sell myself. Liu Yan. I'm so lucky I met you. Put on the ring and you'll never leave me again.